Taking control of mental health one step at a time. That is the mission behind NamiWalks Tarrant County. CBS Texas is a proud media sponsor. Our very own Carmen Blackwell will serve as MC at this year's event. So joining us in the studio today to explain what is all behind this is Angela Smith. She's the executive director and the walk manager. We've also got Chris Janvier, NamiWalks volunteer. Did I get your last name pronounced correctly?
Janvier.
Janvier. I did not get it, but thank you, Chris, for being here. Angela, talk to us a little bit about NAMI and the services that you guys offer and what it's all about.
NAMI is a completely free to the community service where we offer support groups, classes, and resources. We are the largest mental health, mental illness organization, grassroots in the U.S. with over 400 affiliates, and Tarrant County is one of those affiliates.
Okay. Chris, you're a volunteer with them.
I am. I have been since 2013.
2013. Okay, so for some time now. What drew you to the organization, and why do you continue to come back to do this kind of volunteer work?
Well, it actually started out with my wife. She attended one of our signature programs called Family to Family.
Okay.
It helps family members, loved ones learn about mental illness and what their partners or the people they support are going through. I was having a difficult time at the time, but in my heart, I like to serve people. So I looked into NAMI just as a way of getting education for me, and liked what I saw. Thought I could take the skills and the things that I like to do, my service, what I like to do to serve people, and I started getting involved in some of the programs that I'm trained in that I go out and I present.
Yeah, and here you are all those years later, still doing all this kind of work.
Still doing that. Probably the longest tenured volunteer in the affiliate.
All right. Officially you. Okay.
Yeah.
Angela, tell me a little bit about NamiWalks. That's coming up. What exactly is NamiWalks, and how can people who are watching and who are interested, how can they get involved?
Yeah, so NamiWalks is our primary fundraiser for the whole year. Since we are completely free of service, this is how we fund the entire program, outside of small donations from special donors and sponsors, but the walk is the funding. And so it is a 5K walk that we do, and Carmen will be there emceeing.
Yes, she will.
This year we have a lot of great things happening. We have dueling pianos, and Starbucks is doing a drink station, and it's just a fun day to celebrate just the destigmatize of mental health.
I want to close on that point, Chris, because you mentioned you first joined NAMI because it was you were seeking some help and some services too.
Correct.
What kind of advice do you give for folks who are out there who need that kind of help, but maybe they're battling with a little bit of the stigma? How can they take that first step?
Well, that's a question I get a lot, and the stigma is out there. I mean, it is real. But I always ask. I said, "Do you like the way you feel?" I didn't like the way I was feeling.
Yeah.
I needed to figure out how could I get myself to start feeling better. And the resources that we can offer in the classes that we can present will do that. As I said, I just ask. How would you like to feel?
Yeah.
I wanted to be there for my loved ones in the support system, and I had to get better.
Okay, Chris and Angela, thank you so much for coming in and talking to us so much about this great organization. Best of luck with everything.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.